galit yung music. Kasi galit na galit yung apat na team. Kasi sila ang apat na natitira at sila ang magkikipagbakbakan sa ating semifinal round. Umpisahan natin sa dalawang pinakamatatanda sa mga eskwelahan natin dito sa Pilipinas, ang UST laban sa Ateneo. UAAP pinali yung apat, ano ha? So, ito na, magkakaalaman na which team will move into the finals.
Tama ka dyan. Ito magandang labanan. Kita naman natin, of course, these two teams met. Alam natin, unblemished ang record ng Ateneo. Pero pag pumapasok na tayo sa ganitong parte ng ating tournament, nagbabago-bago lahat yan. Of course, UST wanting to get that win against Ateneo. Ang Ateneo naman, iba rin ang pakay.
Yes, indeed. And this is total preparation for their upcoming tournament. But of course, first things first, they want to win here. We have a sort of checklist that we want to observe for both teams. Let's start with the Lady Eagles. And for the Lady Eagles, they have a couple of things that they need to do to keep that unblemished record.
Of course, we know ito yung mga matutunog na pangalan sa UST, and it's all about marking Tunay, Lastimosa, and Laure. These are the top scorers of the Golden Tigresses. Ang isa pa sa kailangan nilang gawin is to keep holding each other on defense. And we know that in any other sport, talagang depensa, very important yan. And finally, keep UST guessing on who will score, because as it is, ngayon nakikita natin magandang distribution ng Ateneo, and that's something that they should continue.
Ang sabi nga ni din sa Tiago, ang hirap, ang mga advantage sa atin ay nagtutulungan sila. Ayan, nagsasayawan pa nga yung mga yan. Pag-usapan naman natin ang mga taga-Espanya, ang Tigresses ng UST. At meron din tayong agenda para sa kanila.
Well, for them, it's all about keeping the ball in play, Sev. Ang alam natin minsan na nangyayari dyan, napapatayan sila ng bola. But first thing they need to do, buhayin ang bola. Second is to mark other Ateneo scorers outside of Valdez. Alam natin, we mentioned this earlier, well-distributed ang plays itong Ateneo. So it's not all about Alyssa. Kailangan nilang tignan kung saan dadali ng setter ng bola. And finally, don't get easily frustrated. This is all about attitude. And we know that, you know, volleyball as a sport, kailangan mental and emotional, kailangan magandang control.
And if you're UST, you don't want to suddenly make those campfires, which is the tendency of the Tigresses. Pag nagka-clam up sila, napuprostrate sila, they hope they can get their offense going here today. Anong mindset ng players before we take our first break here? Ano iniisip ng players kagabi pa?
Well, ito, I think dapat very positive. For UST, they know they're going up against an unbeaten team. Kailangan dyan, very positive mindset. Kailangan na mature ang pagpasok nila sa larong ito.
Well said, Anne. And we will have this game, the semifinals of the Shakey's B-League. It'll be Ateneo against UST very shortly here in the place where it all started.
Introducing our officials for this match. First referee, Liberato Benito Jr., International Referee. Our second referee, Rodrigo Rojas, National Referee. And now for the starting lineup of the Lady Eagles. Number 15, Joanna Maraginot. Number 16, Amy Ahumiro. Number 7, Giselle Tan. Number 14, Bea De Leon. Number 18, Kim Hegeliana. And their team captain, number 2, Alyssa Valdez. Their starting libero, number 8, Ella De Jesus. Their head coach, Coach Anusor Tai Bunde. And now for the starting lineup of the Golden Tigresses. Number 17, Lisa Jope. Number 15, Jessie Lane De Leon. Number 8, Carmela Tunay. Number 18, Maribig Menezes. Number 9, EJ Laure. And their team captain, number 6, Pamela Lastimosa. Their starting libero, number 11, Patricia Rasmo. And their head coach, Emilio Coach Kung Fu Reyes Jr. To all the volleyball fans here in the arena and to all the viewers of GMA News TV, let's get it on!
Okay, just about ready to put the volleyball into play. And you know, it's college season. UST and their Yellow Jackets. We're going to have a party here. Now, the important thing, interesting yung si Eliza Tiope is going to be the setter. Sabi mo nung warm-up, matangkad na setter. But I don't know, her experience will be put at test here today.
That's right. Of course, height will always be an advantage. We keep on talking about this. Ano? Pag ang setter mo matangkad, advantage yun sa blocking. Pero, of course, a big chunk of what the setter does is really delivering the play. So you're right, Sev. We'll see kung ano magiging diskarte niya sa laban sa Ateneo.
Later on, our reports will come via the travels of Cristel Bachelor, who has surveyed both teams, and we'll get her report after our first technical timeout. In the meantime, service belongs to the Lady Eagles. Maraquinot, who is beginning to show signs that maybe she could inherit the position that Eliza Valdez will give up when she ends her eligibility with the Lady Eagles this college season. First point belongs to UST. De Leon all set to serve. Pagka may mga drums na, alam mo, ng college season is malapit na.
Nagpa-practice na rin pati mga pep squad.
Yep, indeed. In the meantime, Eliza Valdez battling together with Lastimosa in the front line. Here's Tan. There's a joust and a drop. Giselle Tan has gotten so much seasoning and experience in the absence of Gia Murado. Murado, who sat out this tournament because of an injury. It's good when you have at least one extra good setter. Chope with a good set. Well done. Nice play.
That's Meneses for that quick hit. Isa pa rin tong si Meneses. We've seen her progress and develop over the years.
In the meantime, Carmela Tunay, who also got injured in the course of this conference, gets her serve crawling on the net. Valdez is rejected. Take a second look. Marcado si Eliza. She knows that. And UST must have prepared so much for that. And we have from our scouts here that USC trained 3 hours daily from Monday to Friday, but the coverage will have to be there. Well, nothing like a good rival to get you off started for your volleyball weekend. There's somebody I think with a flash in the audience being told, please be gentle to the players. Nakakailang yan, ha?
Nakakailang at syempre dito ang bola natin palagi nasa ere.
Yes, that's a good point. In the meantime, Ella de Jesus, her reception resulted in a regalo for Meneses.
Meneses starting off for UST hot. Nakadalawang puntos na. 2 out of the 4 points of UST courtesy of Meneses.
To those following on Twitter, you can use our hashtag VLeague Semis, all caps, live. In the meantime, here's a slap by Gekiliano, which is too long. And USD with a very good start, 5-2.
It has worked for UST here at the start of the first set. Matibay ang kanilang blocking at naiilang yung opensa ng Ateneo.
First time these two teams met, it started our conference. Eliza Valdez did not play. Ateneo still winning that match. Another regalo, but not capitalized upon. Meneses strikes. It's down, but up. Kept in play by the excellent efforts of Giselle Tan. Down the middle with Laure. Nice drop, but it is out. Boy, there's a clear intensity on the faces of the players. Huh? Both sides want to win. 3-5 here as Eliza Valdez will serve.
Oh! What a strong serve from Eliza. Yan ang maganda, yung mga floater.
Yan mahirap from the point of view of the players. Kung lumulutang yan, you think it's going one way, then it changes direction all of a sudden. 4-5 long.
clearly on its way out.
Meneses will serve. Don't forget, PLD3 Ultra-Fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Meneses serve wide. Could have been a good opportunity to build some more momentum for UST. Dongpu Reyes coaching early on. He's in the corner. Tai Bundit in his familiar dance floor. Here's Bea De Leon and her serve. Rasmo is there as the libero. Laure, great drop.
And Tiope has been trying to go for more combination plays, ano? Making sure na hindi lahat sa open lang niya sineset.
I think that's the way to lead Ateneo. Keep them busy. Keep them guessing. Let them lose their confidence. And that's why we mentioned earlier that you have to keep the ball in play if you're UST. That is awful. That is awfully picked up. And Maraquinon acknowledging the mistake. We have our first technical timeout. UST ahead. I was talking about this hashtag which you can do, use rather, to follow us. Let's go to Crisel.
UST's main setter Alex Cabaños is back today after spending a month of internship in Bataan. She only used to train every Friday, but now she's back regularly, and her main goal is to get back into shape and get her court senses back. Meanwhile, the indefatigable Ateneo Lady Eagles vowed to keep their winning record clean. For the past week, they had morning and afternoon practices for 3 hours each, and this morning they spent 1 hour stretching and meditating. 7N.
Yep, every day. That's the way to train a team. In the meantime, lively exchange. It is outside 9-5 USD. Seb Sarmenta here with Anne Remulla, Kandap, and Cristel Bachelor. Mukhang may look ang UST. Very determined sila today. I like this look of UST. Kuminsan they're okay here, but not really here. But here's a nice, determined look from the Tigresses. That is through!
But again, it's the coverage that's missing. Nandun yung blocking eh. At they're able to slow down the ball.
Alam mo, Rasmo will have to find out and discover very quickly. She has to be right there. Tutusok siya dapat ng konti. Samantala, nandito si Kim Gakiliana. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. Gotta be Shakey's. Set De Leon!
You know what's helping UST here in the first set is maganda ang kanilang first ball. Most of it, diretso agad sa setter.
That is such a good point as we check out this ultra-fast spot. Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. You know, you out there, you're probably so used to us saying the first ball must be good. Just look how UST is doing it. That's what exactly what Ann is talking about. However, that is out of reach as Ahumiro drills it into the empty spot. Now they have Ahumiro and Valdez in front. For Ateneo, that's a full front line. In the meantime, the serve will belong to Maraguinot. Here's Rasmo. It becomes a set. Tunay attacks. Tinago si Eliza. Tinaas ng UST. Tunay. Long.
UST has to make sure that this run by Ateneo won't rattle them in any way.
Yes, that's why we said also earlier they shouldn't get frustrated. There's a tendency for UST when they lose their momentum, their grip on the game, they become sad, depressed, and they have to kick out of it.
And yun, kitang-kita talaga sa galaw nila.
Oh, yeah. When that happens also, they get frustrated. Carmela saying, pabawi ako, sabi niya kay Tiope.
And mahirap pag yung error naging metro din ng taxi because you're up against a team like Ateneo and they will take advantage of all these things.
Yung metro naman ng Ateneo, ma-under din. 7, 8, 9, last 3 points have belonged to them. They lose out on this one. It's UST by 2. You know, UST has no choice. They gotta look Ateneo in the eye and mean business here today. Here comes De Leon and her serve. Casual, easy, over the net. Tan, Ahumiro. Laure with a one-handed pickup. And not exactly the best dig if you're EJ Laure. You need both of your hands to keep it in play. Watch this.
It's all about keeping the ball alive and it's gotta be difficult. Mahirap humabol ng bola palabas.
Tsaka dapat playable.
Oo.
Two hands on it and we're tied.
Ngayon, ang nagiging problema ng UST, it's about getting that ball up. They need to organize themselves, tamang posisyon so that they don't overlap each other.
Don't forget that Axel is our official outfitter here at the Shakey's V-League. Mukhang masama na yung first ball, ha? After kanina, maganda yung first ball nila. That is a power hit. No question, and Ateneo in the lead. Last 3 points have been all by the Lady Eagles. Now, you have to arrest this if you're UST. You have to stop this now. You have to play defense here.
And they have to do it now because they
Now.
can't let Ateneo take a much bigger lead than this.
Really sloppy passing.
At ito, kulang sa pag-uusap.
I think we'll hear a bit of that in this huddle requested by Coach Kung Fu.
Wala na eh. Pag hindi ka makarecover, kailangan 4 na mali ka bago may tama yung dalawa mo. Kailangan. Mind strong. Guys, kung namamatay sa ating bola, wala naman silang ginagawa. Tayo lang ang may kasalanan. Bakit? Unang-una, ayaw magsalita. Ikaw, kukuha ka ng bola, ayaw mo sabihin. Itututin nito. Ngayon, mag-over na lang tayo. Magagawan pa kayong dalawa. Simulan na natin sa usap. Ang ganda na ng simula natin.
Future feeling player.
Oh, how cute. You start them young talaga. You
Yeah.
expose them to the sport.
And she's wondering what's happening. But I think also she knows. In the meantime, tama si Kung Fu eh, no? Wala namang ginagawa Ateneo eh. Sila gumagawa ng sarili nilang butas eh.
Oo. And kanina pang nagiging problema. It's not about their offense. It's really about coverage. It's about getting the first ball.
Ateneo has scored the last 5 points. Oh boy, make that the last 6.
You gotta keep your composure.
UST was leading earlier at 11-9. Then Ateneo caught fire, or rather, UST started dropping the ball.
And you see the sudden shift, ano? Yung energy, yung intensity.
Now you gotta dig better. Tiope with the set. And it's outside. And boy, the confidence of UST is just shot at this point. It is now a 16-11 second set. More Shakey's V-League after this. Glad we can be part of your Saturday afternoon. In fact, we can also be part of your Sunday afternoon. In the meantime, Father Ben Nebres, the former president of Ateneo, watching the Lady Eagles. 16-11, 16-12. What is happening now to UST?
The UST, first things first, nag-umpisa yan sa reception. They're just really grumbling and unable to turn things around immediately. Pag merong nag-commit ng error, bawi dapat agad eh. And they're unable to do that.
Ang volleyball is a kind of game. Huwag mong patagalin yung masama eh.
Oh, you cannot dwell. Oh, now UST has to do a better job in reading the place of Ateneo.
Ang hilig ng Ateneo, pag umikot, alam mong kay Quick somewhere eh. Andiyan na si Bea. Okay, o-open kay Kiliana, bigla na lang, andiyan pa si Eliza sa harap. Tinaas ni Carmela Tuna. Here comes Pan Lastimosa. Nice dig by Tan. Block! Meneses blocking that. And Bea De Leon apologizing to Riri that she had kicked Meneses actually.
But all good, sabi ni Meneses.
Magkakampi sa national team yan sa youth eh, no?
Yeah, so again, these players, they all know each other.
Yeah.
And they hang out with each other. They're just opponents on the court.
Ganun mo talaga sa volleyball. I don't know why. No, magkakalaban, magkakaibigan.
Oh, ngayon nga, yung mga mga nakakasama ko sa mga leagues, so 'di ba? Dating mga kalaban na schools.
Yung mga nung nag-5 shots tayo ng isang araw dito, yung grupo nung
UP.
Yung UP, no?
UP.
Kilala ka nila eh.
Oo. And may team din kami alumni. At Ateneo at Lasal.
Ganda. Ganda. Laure! No! It's alive! It's alive! It is there! And De Leon says, okay, that's it.
And that's quick. That's how quick you have to be.
Ultra fast spike, ultra fast indeed. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. And Ty Bundit not exactly happy over that development. His team in the lead but has lost the last 2 points. Here's the serve by Cabanos, who was reported by Cristel earlier. Saved by Ateneo. Set up job. Net touch. Net touch, and it belongs to USD.
But Cabanos doing a good job in gamble yan, ano? I mean, coming from a fast play, binibigay niya na hindi open lang. Nagagalaw niya ang kanyang center spiker.
Si Alex Cabanos is more experienced, seasoned. Ganda ng pangalan niya, Alexi. Parang prinsesa ang pangalan. Out of reach. The last 4 points have been all USD. Let's listen to Ateneo's timeout.
Tandaan mo na siya, pag mong dunggulin, malakas na siya. Huwag mong dunggulin ang receive. Tandaanin mo. Huwag mo siyang hintayin.
You know, that timeout was not to say anything actually. It was just to calm down the team. He had nothing to say there.
Sometimes that's all you need eh. Break the momentum kung nandun na sa kabilang side.
Don't forget, sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Liza, Nika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Lindy, John Greg at Peter and the rest of the volleyball friends sa Viber public chat. Just go to the public chat tab sa inyong Viber app, search and start following your volleyball friends. In the meantime, Eliza Valdez. Set up job by Cabanos. Laure! We have a dogfight here. We're tied at 17.
For as long as UST continues to enjoy the game.
And they're back in business.
Yes.
They've scored the last 5 points. Ateneo was leading 17-12 earlier. We're now tied at 17.
And Cabanos has been serving for quite a while now.
Yes, indeed. Strike in play. Eliza. Eliza Valdez, you know, just a simple porciento player. When you need points with the Mikasa official ball of the Shakespeare League. Serve in play. Carmela Tunay. Cabanos, nice back set. Bang!
Cabanos right now making all the right decisions.
I agree. We're tied at 18. First change for the Ateneo lineup. Bequiliana will go out. And number 20, Tianco William, their guest player, will report in for the first time. On the other side, Cortez is in. Meneses is brought down.
Sandoval actually coming in to serve.
Okay. Mukhang si Riri ay sa libero play umexit. Okay, that's correct.
Kailangan ng isa pang depensa sa likod.
Yes, indeed. The drop.
And this has happened also earlier where nakita natin ang laki ng buta sa gitna ng UST defense.
This is what they have to do less of, creating those campfires. Ayun, oh.
Ang laki, oh. It was
Hello.
wide open.
And Eliza has learned how to spot those open spots eh. Dati hindi niya, pinapalo lang niya dati yan. Kaya na niyang basahin yan. 19 apiece. Glad you're with us here on GMA News TV. You're watching the semifinal round of the Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's Ville Laure. Tan, long, and UST is back in the lead. UST earlier led when they were ahead 11-9. Then Ateneo scored 6 straight points, and now UST is back in business. Looks long, it is. We're tied at 20. Ang service mo rito, dapat walang nervyos eh, no?
Oo, dapat.
At this stretch of the game.
Yep.
Here's Tiangco.
Short.
Malamya yung serve na yun. And UST is ahead 21-20. Tiope Lastimosa back in. Shakey's, the place to go to for fun, family and pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Kung Fu Reyes trying to voice operate his team, trying to keep them motivated. Alam mo, part of coaching is keep the passions alive eh. Kasi ang tendency, ang lagi niyan sinasabi na didinig ko hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Humiro. Rasmussen, gotcha. Tiangco. The kick, set.
That one bounced out.
Bakit importante sa larong volleyball nag-uusap yung players?
Well, there are 6 players on the court, ano? You can't second guess kung sino bang kukuha. Dapat alam niyo kung anong igagalaw ng
And you
isa't
only
isa.
have 3 chances,
Yes,
no?
oo. 3 touches yan.
In the meantime, Maraginot with her serve, which is wasted. Both teams feeling a bit of the tension. In the meantime, Meneses, yes, it's actually, Ann was correct. Sandoval came in for Meneses. Sandoval is now drawn out. 22-21. And here's Jesse De Leon. Talagang inantay talaga eh. Set up job, Valdez.
Oh,
Neatly.
markado si Valdez at alam mong pinag-aralan ng UST, ano? Take a look at that again.
Yes, yes.
Black, dito mo si Kiwi dali sa likod. Ha? Dito mo si Kiwi dito para mahati. Ha?
Isa.
Hindi, dito sa likod ha. Para tatlo na pa-block mo. Sipan mo muna.
One more point.
Okay lang.
Keep going.
Kulang. Ako yan. Let's go.
One, two, three.
Si Alaisa gusto makabawi agad. Isa.
And you see her asking for the set, ano, from Tan.
Ako'y litong-lito. Pumapalo ang Yellow Jackets ng UST. Yung mga nagsumusuporta sa atin nakikicheer. Siguro may world peace na nga. 23-21.
Sabayan na lang daw nila.
Ella de Jesus is the libero. I failed to mention that. Carmela with a good dig. Set up job. Ahomiro!
No blockers there for Ahomiro.
And Amy can be a killer once she's in her spot. Watch this.
Malaking factor dyan, hindi nabasa yung play na yun.
Hindi na-expect ng UST yung play na yan. Here's Ahomiro's serve. In play. Rasmo. Tiope. Meneses. Here comes a set. De Leon. Rasmo is there. To the other end. Oh! We're tied at 23. Kung Fu Reyes ay telling his team, kapit. Huwag kayong bibigay. You know, you're building character eh. Ateneo is used to this. UST for a while was, and Ahomiro just wastes it. It is now set point UST. She dropped it. Ayun. Si Bundit kinakausap si Ahumiro. Here's Carmela Tunay. Valdez. Pan. Down the middle we go.
Oh,
Yes!
ginawa na lang ng paraan ni Maraguinot but saw that opening. Still a very good point.
There was a day here, I think I forget what day. Ang haba lang ng sets, hindi naman 5 sets, 33, 34. Oh! Ateneo at 25-24.
Now this is where communication plays a very important role. It's mind yours eh.
Let's listen in to Kung Fu.
Yung sakit natin, wala naman silang ginagawa, pero pinupunto sila. Kanina ba ibinibilin niya, mag-usap. Ano lang kasindi? Ano ang usap? Wala nagiging usap sa atin. Balo lang. Bawal na tayo magkamali, guys. Bawal na tayo magkamali. Nasa endgame tayo. Dapat yung mga unforced error, dapat walang-wala na yun sa katawan natin. Ha? O, isang atake lang tayo.
If you're UST, you don't want to clam up at this point. You don't want to be tense. It's action-packed, it's pressure-packed, but you've got to deliver. Wasted!
Woo!
Ateneo being killed by its serve. Ahumiro with an error, Tan with an error.
But again, remember, for UST, tama si Coach Kung-Fu, ano? Sila yung nagkukos ng kanilang errors, ng points ng Ateneo. So, from this point on, kailangan mag-usap.
Each side losing a match point now. Alyssa. Meneses. Ella de Jesus is there. The drop.
It's that same area that UST can't seem to cover. Somebody just has to adjust.
That's why Congo is talking to Rasmo, his libero. And now Ateneo with its second set point. Oh! And Ateneo just pushing its nose forward, winning this first set, 27-25. And watch her shaking, shake and play. Right there, Bea de Leon with the rejection and the rope. Back with your second set after this. Okay, back here at the San Juan Arena and take a look at some numbers. You know, some of the errors there have been service errors. Actually, Ateneo just managing to squeeze out the juice from that first set. They were actually down by a set point, but they managed to crawl back and take the first set.
That's right. Although kita natin from the numbers here na pagdating sa atake, lamang na lamang nga ang Ateneo. I think the great thing about the first set was UST was able to keep themselves as close as they can be. In fact, yun nga, parang seesaw battle lang yung first set. But how UST lost, it was mainly their lapses pagdating sa kanilang reception or depensa, no? But kaya nilang sabayan ng Ateneo.
Yes, they were playing toe-to-toe. In fact, in the early parts, they led until Ateneo caught fire, and you had pointed out correctly. Now, UST must not allow Ateneo to get this momentum going.
That's right. And the one thing that they need to do here in the second set is to really organize themselves. Ang sinasabi natin kanina, if they're put under pressure, ang Ateneo, they can handle themselves and manage it really well.
Yes.
Pagdating sa UST, nakikita mo natitigilan sila ng konti, and it's how they should snap out of it as quickly as they can.
And the veterans of UST must step forward here. Sila Carmela Tunay, EJ Lauro is not a rookie anymore. She's a veteran already. They need their veterans to take charge here. In the meantime, Ateneo trying to pass the ball around. Boy, pati yun, nagawa ng point, ano? Walang attack yun, ha? Sabi ni Maraguinot, ba't ako naka-score? Hindi nga tusok yun, sir, yung spike. Pero sige, tanggap. 1-all tayo. And now Humiro, who botched a serve earlier, wanted to hide actually. It was such a crucial moment. In the meantime, boy, her serve is in somewhere in the Pacific Ocean. In the meantime, Ateneo unable to scramble for it. It's USD 2. De Leon all set to serve. In play, Gekiliana. Nearly a disastrous dig there. Salvaged by the Lady Eagles. The attack. Yes!
Great play for UST. And this is what worked for them in the first set, ano, yung mga kanilang quick sets.
And a ultra-fast spike, ultra-fast LTE for a happy family. You know, ang pagdiriwang ng UST, dapat bandang dulo eh. Maaga sila nagsiselebrate eh. And Ateneo adjusts quickly.
Tama.
Alyssa drops it. Even ang drop ni Alyssa, parang spike na rin eh. One-handed set!
Pag nagawa ng paraan, dapat may effort din yan patayin yung bola.
Look at this. This was so masterfully crafted. One-handed set. Hindi maganda yung final follow ni Bea De Leon, pero okay yan. Kasi
Still works.
the defense was thrown off completely by what Giselle Tan did. 3-2 count. Tan will be serving. She also made a service error during that crucial stretch. Tiope. Meneses missed it. De Leon with fingertips on it. Here is a reverse set. Valdez!
Off the block. Again, for UST, what worked for them earlier was when they were doing more of the quick plays in the middle, or kung di man quick, ito yung mga combination, ano yung mga patong na set.
At saka kailangan itaguan mo. Keep Ateneo guessing. What do you want to do? Can't be too obvious when you play the Lady Eagles. Nice block.
Good coverage.
Blocked! And De Leon relishing the moment.
Yan ang masipag dapat sa net.
Si De Leon has learned to master that position, as we remind you that Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's League. Blocked. Inside.
In that point, you know what I like? What I observed from De Leon was she was counting. 1, 2, may bilang. Kasi tinatimingan niya yung spiker sa kabila.
It's almost like the way high school coaches teach you how to block.
Oo, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2,
Okay na,
3. Up.
may timing yan eh.
Rotation. Rotation problem ng UST. Two officials spotting it, the score is stable, and now they're clarifying it. Yeah, there's a specific assigned position, but Kung Fu says, okay, no argument. We made a mistake, and Ateneo jumping out in front. This is odd. UST will lead early, then Ateneo will just catch fire. Maagang nag-lead actually ang UST rito at 3-1. Tapos biglang ito, 6 straight points by the Lady Eagles.
Now, Cabanos, remember Cabanos earlier when she came in nung first set, that's when they had a good run. Let's see if it will repeat itself here in the second.
They need the stability of Alex Cabanos actually. In the meantime, this serve in play, being tracked down. They will adjust. Meneses keeping it alive. Tan, De Leon missed but connected. Gusto nang patayin ni De Leon si Tan. Pinahahaba mo na ako, mahaba na nga ako eh. Technical timeout. That's a hashtag you can use to follow the Shakey's League semifinals. Cristel Bachelor will have this report.
Earlier, Seb, you mentioned about the determination the Golden Tigresses are showing. And it really shows, for Coach Kung Fu admitted that their morale is high, having been able to make it to the semifinals. Gayunpaman, he also knows Ateneo is on top of their game, kaya naman kahit daw hindi nila mahigitan, gusto pa rin nila mapantayan at makipagsabayan. Now, over at Ateneo's huddle, team captain Alyssa Valdez urged her teammates to be more consistent this set. Okay lang to na nadigitan sila kanina, but this time they need to play stronger. Coach Tai also reminded the girls to focus their thinking on the target. 7, Ann.
That is exactly right, Cristel. We'd like to remind you that this is a best of 3 format. Team that wins 2 games moves on to the finals. So drawing first blood will be critical here. UST managed to pass to get into the final 4 because Arellano lost in that game you and I did last weekend.
Yep, so this was kind of served on a silver platter. Medyo gano'n, no? Sinuwerte pa dahil nakuha ng St. Benilde ang panalo. So no more playoffs.
UST was anticipating a playoff against Arellano, but it did not materialize because CSB decided to really play in the last 3 sets. Yakiliana's shot is being bandied about. This one in play. Ella de Jesus beginning to become comfortable as the Ateneo libero. And Cortez ends up stretching for it.
UST has got to do a better job in reading yung balik ng bola ng Ateneo dahil mapadrop or palo. Kailangan nakapwesto sila.
Yes. I'm just amazed how Ella just being so talented. And she's just beginning to be comfortable in the libero position, where she's actually a spiker.
But even as a spiker, she was, in a way, recognized that marunong siya talagang dumepensa.
Marunong sumingit-singit sa mga lugar na hindi kinakailangan yung tao. That's why she and then Lazaro were actually helpful when Ateneo was playing defense. In the meantime, Lastimosa serve in play. Yes, and De Leon beginning to feel the groove.
Cortez was having a difficult time with defense and reception for UST. Nakadalawa na yun, ano?
Yes, for Fun Family and Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's De Leon. Nawala yung grittiness ng UST eh. Yung kagat ng tiger.
Oo, but it's because Ateneo has also taken control.
Minimix na nga ng Ateneo yung punches niya kung ano ng kombinasyon. And scoring off the block, Yakiliana.
If you're up against a team like Ateneo, you have to show them that you're not intimidated.
Yes, indeed.
Again, the
Oh,
coverage.
even the blocking, the coverage, and everything else not going UST's way. If you just joined us this afternoon, first set going 27-25 in favor of the Lady Eagles. In the meantime, De Leon wasting the serve.
And she's clearly disappointed because of that.
Our count is 7-11. Here comes Riri Meneses. Humira. Meneses with a good hand on it. Oh, flat. That's a flat connection.
Laure. These are the things that they need to get used to, ano? Kapag hindi tama or galing sa setter ang bola.
Cabanos now talking to Laure, trying to build up her confidence. I'm going back to you. I'll try to go back to you. Kabawi tayo. Cabanos, however, this shot is out. It is 13-7. Lady Eagles lead by 6. Timeout requested by Kumpo Reyes. Let's try to huddle up as well with them.
Ano ba? Sa kabila, pag umangat ang bola, saan pumupunta ang bola nila? Ha? Saan ba bumapat ang bola nila? Ha? Eh tayo, bakit di ba natin kaya yun? Kung gusto nyo manalo, sumunod kayo sa amin. Wala eh, nagsusunod na kayo eh. Nakikita mo ba lahat? May blakan ka ng dalawa sa gitna? Ha? Hindi mo nakita? Hindi mo nakita? Ano klaseng setup kung hindi mo nakikita yung blakan mo? Ha? Yung larong volleyball, sinasamahan ng pag-iisip yan. Hindi lang tayo banat ng banat. Kasi may mga pattern, nagsisingle block tayo dito sa dulo. Ayaw naman natin bigyan ng bola. Ano ba, tinutulungan natin yung Ateneo na manalo?
Tara. Let's go.
Iyan na natin, i-compose natin yung sarili natin. Kaya naman natin, sumasabay nga tayo eh. Problema, iiwan kayo.
Okay. Sundan ang all-out kulitan nila Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, Dindin, John Rick Peter, and the rest of the volleyball friends of Viber Public Chat. Siguradong good vibes when you catch their ultra-fun kulitan. Just go to the public chats tab sa inyong Viber app, search and start following your volleyball friends. Boy, I love the way Kung Fu communicates. I hope it connects to the players. Yung larong volleyball ay hinahaluan ng pag-iisip. Quote of the day.
Oh, let's see kung nagising itong Golden Tigresses dun sa huddle na yun.
Kasi Marikina makes volleyball simple. Simple lang. No flourish. Not an Eliza Valdez. They're two different people. But she knows how to score.
And that's the important thing.
Samantala, Kim Gakiliana will be serving. Kim, of course, hails from Bacolod. Natanaw sa atunda sa Bacolod. Maayong hapon ka mo sa inyo da. Samantala, Gakiliana scoring.
And it's not helping itong kanilang mga reception errors.
Getting to be too easy for the Lady Eagles.
Yeah, and itong si Coach Kung Fu, nagpalit na rin ng kanyang libero. Bringing in Hachero.
Si Hachero na pinasok. Nice try by Lauren. Now you gotta turn. De Leon, net. Yes, indeed. So the net still shaking. Ateneo violation. It is now 15-8. Giselle Tan just gave out the signal. Top set. Down the middle we go. Long and flat. Look out, actually. But you're committed. Ahumiro rejected, but keeps it in play. Gakiliana is there. Free ball forthcoming. De Leon gets it to go through. And it is now 15-9. You know, I sense what Ty Bundit is doing here. He's trying something new. They're trying to... Kasi tinginan... No, UST scores. Tinginan sila ng tinginan eh. They're trying something new eh.
And of course, now is a good time to do that. Ito yung mga paghahanda na ginagawa nila for their future tournaments, future leagues.
Yeah, Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's Wheel League. They go to Eliza on the other end. Huli ni Jessie De Leon. Tataas niya ang Humiro. Balik kay Valdez. Tiope locates Cortez, and it is too long. Ateneo finally reaches the technical timeout. First, we are at 16-10. For the GMA Public Affairs social media information on Facebook and Instagram. Here is Christine Legasto Miller, 17 years old, from San Francisco, California. I miss visiting San Francisco.
Yeah.
The weather.
Oo.
That's what I love there, and dear friends and family there.
Sarap
and
to eat.
Sobra ka talaga. Pilit talaga.
Yun yung nasa isip.
Pierre 19, Pierre 39. And as face of the game, she receives a box of pizza. Kala ko tatlong kahon eh. Di mo, tatlong kahon na yung nandun, oh. In the meantime, here's a serve. Eliza. Oh!
So that was a point plus a net violation from USD clearly. That was Ateneos.
Ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. You know, Eliza's just developed that ability to, when she's in the air, she can direct the spikes now. Lakas, control, parang as if she's playing badminton in the air.
That's what really makes her a very efficient and effective attacker.
At saka alam niya kung kailan ida-drop yung bola. 17-18, last 3 points have been all Lady Eagles. (18-11). Acumiro having problems with her serve today, not as clean. 2-9. Oh, that is the fourth touch. everything not going USD's way here. Boy, let's see what new message Coco Reyes has.
Walang ginagawa sa Ateneo sa atin. Tayo yung nagbibigay ng puntos. Ngayon, parang hindi tayo meron pang gusto sabihin natin yung bola. Bawi tayo ng third set. Parang di na kayo nababagod. Wala, ayaw nyo nang gumalaw eh. Mababa ang bigay. Di ba? Mababa. Anong gagawin mo? Bakit pag maganda ba yung bigay? Pag pinalo mo na ng tobet, nagreklamo siya. Di ba? Yes, eh. Ito lang, ilaban nyo yan.
LTT, Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet rate low. That's 999 pesos.
You know, from the USD side, kailangan merong isang mag-step up eh. Somebody just needs to take that leadership role. Right now, na down sila.
Saka yung setter, kailan pumursento siya eh. Let's get some points.
Because,
kaya tama si Kung Fu eh. Wala namang ginagawang unusual na Ateneo eh.
Tama, at kung titignan natin yung numbers ngayong second set, only 2 points produced from offense. It's if you're Coach Kung Fu, hindi acceptable yun. To add to that, the really tough blockers of Ateneo.
Ito sa kanto na nga kinuha eh. Eliza there. And you know what Ateneo is doing correctly is being consistent. After a very slow start, they've not been unstoppable since then. In the meantime, bungled play. It's an 11-point lead. Boy, confidence is the issue here for USD. Wala silang walang commander-in-chief.
Wala. At,
I miss Abby Maraño all of a sudden. Yung ganong tipo.
But yun ang kailangan nila ngayon eh. You have to have that attitude to go up against a team like Ateneo.
Don't forget, for Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. In the meantime, it is 22-12. USD finally getting something in. Oh, nice save by Dan. It was a sloppy first ball. Blocked. Nicely done. Ella. Oh, overcooked. Just slightly overcooked. It had the right thing in mind. Kim was looking for the open zone. The USD defense had already converged at the net, so Gagiliano was trying to play long. In the meantime, De Leon. From the middle. 2 misses.
That one too long. And ito yung mga points in the match na kailangan i-take advantage ng USD. And right now, they have Lastimosa and Tunay, 2 of their seniors in front. So a lot is expected from these two.
Yep. Sloppy ball handling by the Lady Eagles. It is now 4 straight points by USD. Ateneo led by as much as 11 at 22-11. Maraquinor. Valdez dropping a message. Ella is steady. De Leon! Si De Leon matangkat na, gets height, has power also. Ultra fast spike for Ultra Fast LD for a happy family. And her happiness comes from scoring big points. Francisco will see action. 23-15. Fiope. Double-edged roof there. Blocked! Bea De Leon doing everything.
And that's what makes it more difficult for UST, yung mga ganyang blockers, ganyang tipo ng blockers mula sa Ateneo.
Ateneo at set point. Chope. That is out of reach, and it is 24-16. Tunay. De Leon missed it, but it's still a point. The last 3 points have been all Bea De Leon. Whether solid ang connection o daliri lang ang gagamitin, it's still been Bea De Leon in our shaky play. We'll have the third set ready for you shortly. The numbers, more than anything else, it's really been a confidence issue and desire issue. Ang ganda ng disappoint ako ng konti kasi ang ganda ng umpisa ng USD with so much, napansin mo yung energy nila, no?
Oh.
Pero medyo nag-wane, napofrustrate sila. So they need to work themselves up, actually.
That's right. And even if you look at the numbers, what happened in the second set, we mentioned this earlier kanina, 2 points lang ang attacks na na-produce ng UST. They ended the second set with only 5. So that's very low and hindi sila agad naka-recover.
You know, there was a stretch when Ateneo was down at 3-1 and they suddenly decided to put their act together. There were 7 straight points by the Lady Eagles. UST needs to cluster the points together.
Oh, that's right. And yun nga, when they commit an error, ang nangyayari, they crumble down, hindi sila nakakabawi agad. And one thing that we had also mentioned sa second set, kailangan ng leader ng UST. Somebody has to really step up. Somebody has to tell the team, oh guys, easy lang tayo, let's compose ourselves.
Yeah,
and even the people on Twitter, nag-filter ako, check ko, hashtag D-League Semis Live, sabi nila nga, yun nga, leader ang kailangan.
Oo. Isang hahatak ng jersey, ayan, Cortez. Yung, may kakampi kang gano'n dapat eh. Okay, tara, di ba?
Yung ingay na yun, yung boses na yun.
Yun yung mga teammates na kung minsan sila pa nga yung pinakamaraming practical jokes at pranks as a team. But you need those kinds of players to perk up the energy of the team. In the meantime, it is now 2-1. So Humiro got that to stay in. Don't forget PLDT, Ultrafast LTE for a happy family. Ang speeds ay up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Cortez. Valdez is rejected, but out. Sa lakas ng palo ni Eliza, nag-ricochet off the block at lumabas. 3-1. Humiro has had her struggles with her serve. Parang hindi makalift si Amy. Parang may kulang sa sipa niya.
Kulang din sa karga yung kanyang serve. Again, ito UST struggling to keep the ball alive.
Struggling na yun ang point na banggit mo nung umpisa. Have to keep the ball in play di ba?
And if you fail to do so, napakahirap pa kumuha ng puntos niyan.
Wala kang opensa. Ito long up. Service violation by Ateneo. So it is 4-2. Let's go with Carla Sandoval, who's back in the ball game. Carla has been in and out of this match. Ella steady. And that is pounced upon quickly by EJ Laure. Alam mo, nanonotice ko, si EJ Laure, walang bola. Hindi nabibigyan sa open. Hindi siya nabibigyan, hindi siya maka-atake.
Actually, looking at the top three scorers in all sets, hindi lumalabas ang kanyang
Oo.
pangalan. Laure, Meneses, De Leon all have scored 5 points. If you look at Ateneo on the other hand, ang kanilang top three scorers, of course, wow, surprisingly, it's De Leon with 14 points. Naunahan pa si Valdez. Valdez only with 9.
Si Eliza, check out this ultra-fast spike, ultra-fast LT for happy family. Part for the course, si Eliza, normal yan. You expect that for her regardless of whether she's playing for the national team or for Ateneo or any other team. But Bea De Leon, she's scoring in every which way. Maraginot, unable to handle that.
And like what you mentioned, Sev, itong si De Leon, 7 attack points, 7 block points.
Oh, yes. Alam mo, she scores off her blocks. She makes it an offensive weapon. A defensive weapon to begin with, then it becomes an offensive source for Bea De Leon. This is rejected. And touch last as it went out. We're tied at 5. Shakey's, the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza. It's got to be Shakey's.
What a great angle by Valdez.
May lakad ang Ateneo team.
Nagmamadali. Pero ito yung sayang, Seve, because we've seen UST in the first set. Nakita natin kaya nilang sabayan whether or not Ateneo had, a few errors here and there. That should have been enough to boost their confidence.
Yes. Cabanos keeping it alive. Laure slaps it. Mukhang free ball pero inupakan. Laure! Out. If you just joined us, the first set or the first two sets going the way of Ateneo. First set was a nail biter, 27-25. USD actually got the set point first at 24-23. The second set was all Ateneo, but now we're tied at 6 here in the third. Yung Maraginot may hagupit din, ano?
Oo, tsaka yung tama ka not very flashy pagdating sa kanyang mga opensa, but talagang very high percentage.
4% rin.
Porsyento,
Parang you get this feeling, okay, mas bayaan mo si Eliza, which I respect, sabi niya, but if you give the ball to me, upakan ko.
Oo.
Laure getting something in, but Ateneo keeping it in play. I thought they'd go back to Laure, and De Leon forces Eliza Valdez to somersault. Wala akong kilalang volleyball player na hindi marunong mag-somersault, ano?
It's part of
Part of the training.
Oo, part yan.
Lalo na mga libero, no?
Oo.
Happy family yan. Pero si Ella, hindi pa gumugulong today, ah.
Ang importante kasi dyan, marunong ka pumwesto. Hindi ka na kailangan gumulong kung nakapwesto ka ng tama.
And Ella De Jesus has been doing exactly that. Lady Eagles first at the technical ceasefire. Website for GMA News TV. Cristel, what the up?
Coach Kung Fu instructed the Tigers to release the tension they are feeling inside of them. Naninigas daw kasi sila at nagtatapo ng bola. Pinaalala ni Coach na ang laro ng volleyball ay ginagamitan din ng isip at hindi lang basta banat ng banat. The Ateneo Lady Eagles, on the other hand, were very composed in the last huddle. Coach Tai credited super senior Ella De Jesus for the leadership she is showing on court. Back to you guys.
That's a good point, Cristel. Ella, who has also played injured for most part of her career, is now the libero for the Lady Eagles. 8-all is the count here. Now USD has to make a move right now. Right here, right now. Cabanos. Tan. Yes, USD scoring off the serve.
In this lineup, wala ang mga veterano ni Coach Kung Fu. And let's see, Cabanos had her luck in the first set with her serves.
They pulled out Lastimosa already. Up, alive. tumawid yung bola na yun. Sandoval. Walang tao doon sa pinadala ni Alyssa ng bola. She was just trying to save the ball actually. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Itong ad-lib unit ni Kung Fu medyo umabante, no? They have their heads back in the game. 10-8 is the count here. Nice tip. Alive. Out of reach. Pinalakbang ka naman ni Kung Fu kasi may effort. Diba?
Importante naman sa nakita mong gumalaw sila at hindi pinanood yung bolang.
Yun ang nakakainis mo kung volleyball player ka,
yung
manager ka.
nakikita mo, tignan mo na bumabagsak lang eh.
Wow, pinanood. Yun, may karga. Tinaas. Hinanapan ng pwesto.
And again, they forgot na itong si Ahumiro kaliwete, no? Iba dapat yung angulo na binablock nila.
Ang advantage kasi ng Ateneo, aside from veterans na itong grupo na ito, ang galing magtago ng sino papalo. Hindi ba it's so obvious? Mukhang si Alyssa. Pero ito pwede mo itago si Ahumiro, pwede ka mag-back row kay Maraginot. Lakas lang. UST by 1. Down in the set count, 2-0. De Leon serve in play. Ahumiro hooks it over. Cabanos tracks it down. Tan skidding for it. Back row. Cabanos says akin. Sandoval. Maraginot. Kicking set.
Oh, that one is long.
Si Alyssa bihira manggigil, pero ito nanggigil talaga siya.
Ang layo eh.
Ang layo eh. Kita mo, libreng-libre. Sabi niya, walang blocker. Ang layo ni Meneses. Ito, upakan ko to. Dalawa ang lamang ng Tigresses. Maraginot, Tan, back to Alyssa. Out pa rin. And UST has a 3-point lead. Oh, hindi binigay sa UST, ha? Touch ball yata, check ball yata, 12-11. Anyway.
Poor reception. You see Laure asking the coach, outside ba?
Alam mo si EJ, ang kuminsan mali niya, hindi siya nagda-down eh.
That's why,
Hindi siya nagagaling sa taas siya eh, di ba? Nakataas siya.
nakatayo bago siya bababa.
Saka siya bababa. You really have to stoop down low in this game. Meneses with a finger on it. Alyssa, ayaw pumasok ng malakas. Kailangan natin.
Yun yung mahirap ipa-over, no? Pag kinukuha mo sa ilalim, nasa tabi ka ng net.
Yung hook mo siya. But there are some players who do that very well, ha? Yung siyempre, nung paggasgas niya sa net, uhulihin mo, tapos may pektos ano. Pektos to pektos yan eh. 13-12, lamang ang Lady Eagles. Yes!
And again, malinis na puntos, no, para kay Maraginot. It's the defense of UST. Kailangan sila pumwesto.
Yeah. I think they're beginning to realize, hey, Maraginot can score. Ultra fast spike, ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Kanina pa.
No, I think it's Maraginot is at the back.
Yeah. So, lots of weapons for the Lady Eagles. Boy, that's problematic. This is beginning to slip away from the Tigresses. Lady Eagles ahead in the set count. Inside. And
Poor judgment by Laure.
Laure is having a problem in that spot. Huh? And Ateneo is at the technical ceasefire first. Good place to go to follow the semifinal phase of the Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's V-League. Marial Castillo, Janelyn Gutierrez, Janica Gutierrez. Sila po ang mga expert waivers po natin. Dapat tawag sa feature na ito, the waiving feature. Sila ang ating ultra fast family. Mabilis silang mag-wave. Kasi wala silang, yung t-shirt so solid pag hindi nag-wave. Eto na. Ano bang ginagawa ng UST?
They were off to such a good start. Pababa ng pababa, ano, yung kanilang
Yung
energy.
game. And they can't find anybody to blame except themselves. 17-12. Hule. Cabanos. Laure. In play. Valdez. Cabanos. Bineses. De Leon. Umaalog ang net. At
Somebody.
tumama si Sandoval.
May violation.
Boy, I wonder what Kung Fu can say now.
Uulitin natin, third set na. Wala namang ginagawa si Ateneo sa atin. Pero tayo, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari sa atin. Kasi yung composure na wala. Kasi yung aggressiveness natin na wala. Tapos naman, sabi nga, di ba naman tapos eh, di ba? Meron pa silang 7 kukunin. Ilan tayo? 13. Di ba? Hindi naman imposible yun eh. Kasi, di ba tapos? Atake natin yung score natin pagpakas. Nakakailan na yan, nakakawalo na yun. Wala, di ba naman yung second goal? Hindi naman yung second goal eh.
UST's there trying, but they got to work on their game. They will have another game against the Lady Eagles, who are just in command of this match. It's a best of 3. Winner of the series moves into the finals against the winner of the NUFEU semifinals. It is 19-12.
Oh, Ateneo. Look at Ateneo, just all smiles.
Oh, may tense moments kanina pero wala na yun.
Oo, wala na. They're just shrugging it off.
In fact, ang nakaka-disappoint sa UST rin, they were close for the majority of the set actually. Bigla na lang pumiglas ang Ateneo and scoring 6 straight points. Shaky is the place to go to for fun, family, and pizza. It's gotta be Shaky. Sandoval.
That one is out. Wait, again, somebody has to take on that leadership role.
That's what they'll have to find in the days ahead. Sundan ang all-out kulitan ni na Eliza, Mika, Rachel, Ara, Jaja, then at John Vic, Peter, and the rest of the volleyball friends of Viber Public Chat. Siguradong good vibes when you catch your ultra fun kulitan. Just go to the Public Chats tab sa inyong Viber app. (2014) Yakeliana. Good stretch by Sandoval. Laure. It is deflected. Ella. Eliza. Regalo. Touch.
These errors, sayang no? Nabuhay yung bola. But they're not too careful.
And UST now looking for some kind of combination that'll work. The last sub was not allowed. Mukhang max na ang UST.
I think she was late, ihinabo lang.
That was also late, probably, si Francisco. Pero Xiao is in the game. Carmela Tunay is back in. Ateneo pushing itself towards the finish line and to take a 1-0 lead in the series. And Gatchaliana tiptoes to score. Too easy.
Coach Kung Fu, sinasabihan na si Sarah kung wala siyang kamay.
Okay.
She let go of that ball easily.
Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Dito mawid. USD trying to hang on here. Francisco will hustle in and replace Meneses for serving duties.
Not a substitution para dito sa kay Coach Kung Fu.
Halos wala sa Ateneo, but mukhang si Tianco William lang yung pinasok kanina.
But si Coach Tay, no, nag-stick talaga siya with his 6.
And De Leon scores anew. It is 23-15. I like the attitude of Kung Fu. At least he's not giving up.
Tumas yung bola, kailangan mo abutin. Tatalong ka, bibitawan ng kamay mo, ha? Baka mangyari ulit yun. Patok nga, anong gagawin natin? Bibitawan natin, alam mo malalaki. Isuban mo na yun, tapakatawagan ng mabilis. Hindi mo. Ikaw maging referee, pero muna. I-combination mo. Para sa Eagle, diba? Dulo ka, tama dulo. Gitna ka na. Patrasin mo na ito, siguro na lang ito. O kaya, open ka na lang, pasa ng 8, papalit mo ng 3. Pag wala, buka tayong dalawa. Long nga sa likod, ha? Wala ka na ito, alam. Ngayon, hindi kaya, atake tayo sa likod. Go, let's see.
2 points before it becomes official. There were scary moments with the Lady Eagles, especially in that first set, which was the exciting part of this match. Ateneo winning that 27-25, despite the fact that now UST at 24-23. Kala ko lusot na UST nun. Nice play. Nicely done.
Laure still extending it this third set.
(23-16).
Good serve.
Deciliano, Winalis. Sandoval. Sampal. And UST makes it 23-17. Here comes Laure. Valdez back row strike, and it is match point.
And yun, with the help of the net, as you see, yung mga gigantic na mukha niya alay sa dala-dala ng kanyang mga fans.
Oo nga. At mag-aantay sa labas pa yan, mami.
Oo, syempre. At masaya ang kanilang paghahantay dahil nakuha ng Ateneo ang panalo. But ang naging problema ng UST talaga ang kanilang reception.
And the coaches meet at center court. 25-17 is the final count here in the third. And the Lady Eagles winning 27-25, 25-16, 25-17. Sino napili natin best player for this game?
She's done a phenomenal job pagdating sa opensa, pati na ang ginawa niyang pader ang net eh.
Actually,
With Cristel is Bea De Leon.
Yes, Bea, congratulations for winning. During the first set, medyo dikit yung laban. Saang parte ba kayo nahirapan?
Kasi they're very smart when they play. They know how to place the ball, so it's very hard for us to adjust rin. Their spikes, especially sina EJ, grabe yung process. So hirap na hirap talaga kayo mag-adjust. But, syempre in every game talaga, adjustments lang talaga in the beginning rin.
But why did you think Coach Tai stick to the same rotation throughout the whole game?
That's kind of his way, so that none of us would lose confidence. Because syempre, if you take one out, it's kind of nakakasira ng momentum rin for all of us. But I think he just believes in all of us yun naman.
Alright, congratulations, you are our Shakey's player of the game. You'll receive a box of pizza from Shakey. Sinong gusto mong batiin?
Happy birthday, Dad! Love you!
Alright, thank you so much, and back to you guys.
okay, birthday pa rin ng daddy niya. Nandito yung daddy niya sa likod eh, ano? In the meantime, Ateneo, out of respect, trying to allow UST to sing their school song, ano ha? Huminto sila. But Ateneo already with one put in, and they need to win one more game to be able to be in the finals.
Yep, and they've been consistent throughout itong ating conference. Ang kita rin naman natin, still undefeated, ano?
Yes.
At this point.
Okay, thank you, Anne, Remulia Kanda, and Cristel Bachelor. On behalf of the Shakey's Wheeling team, Seb Samantha, ESA. Come back very often here in the place where it all started, the Shakey's Wheeling.